it's me, Arya. Welcome back to my channel, Fun with Arya. And if you forgot, you gotta like and subscribe. Like and subscribe and hit that notification bell to notify every video I make, even though I don't make that much. So, yeah. So today I'm going to be telling you how to make a flower with clay. Or with anything you want, like clay. So, let's get on to it. Okay guys, so first we need like a little thing like this. See this? Get that? I will only make today one flower and I'm going to teach you, so yeah. So first we need a little bit of clay. And then we need to like spread it out. Let me see how you have to. So it has to be like this. It has to be more like fatter than longer. It doesn't matter how long it is. Only matters how fat it is. Because this is going to be the middle of the rose that we're making. So, yeah. And then now we're going to make the petals. This is really easy and it looks pretty hard. So, yeah. Then you get like a little blob. Let me show you again. So then you get a little blob like this, well, it's a circle, and then you just smush it up like this. It's really easy actually. And then take that part and then put it on here. See how it looks? Okay? And then you get another ball of that, and then smush it up. And just keep on doing that, and then I'll put all of them and then make them all, and then I'll show you how to put them. So yeah, make like seven in total, okay? Not the middle part, like, you know, the outside part. So make 7 of those and I'll come back. Pause this video and then you'll see how to make it. So yeah. Pause the video and then you can just make them. Okay guys, so now I'm done making all of these. I made 6 but I had 1 on, so that's 7. So now we have to put them on. So first you have to like see that middle part, put another one just beside it like that. Just glue it on there. Well, you can't glue clay. So, you know, stick it on there. It'll look like this. And then get another piece. And then I have to make it way more flatter than that. And then also attach it to it. See where I'm going now? And now you gotta get another piece. Now there's another layer. So this, you're going to like, I have to fold it like this. So yeah. And now I'm going to put like 4 more, like 3 more after that one, and then yeah, it'll look good. I have some remaining clay, so this is basically nothing. So yeah, I'm gonna try to make this bigger. So guys, see, I put like, it's not that hard. You can put it randomly anywhere you want actually. It doesn't have to be in place, but I'm teaching you how to actually make it in place. So yeah, it's pretty easy. It's nothing hard. So, after this, guys, let me show you something. So it's like this, right? Like flat out. You have to like put it like this, so it actually looks like a rock. I mean, oh, what am I saying? I just had a rock presentation, so that's why I'm thinking on rocks. That's cool. So this is how you make it. Pretty, right? And so easy. So, yeah. For now, bye, and see you all next time. Subscribe and like. Bye. Flower. To notify all my videos.